Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today I'm reviewing the Nubia Red Magic 5G. Last 24 hours I'm using this device. How is it my experience? Everything share with you. Nowadays a lot of the 5G smartphone available on market, but gaming phones only Blackshark 3 and IQ3. What's the difference for the Blackshark 3, IQ3 and Nubia Red Magic 5G? Just I'm quick comparison on video end. Okay, first look the Nubia Red Magic 5G full overview. The phone display is a 6.65 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with support 144 Hz display refresh rate. World's first 144 Hz display refresh rate phone with support 300 Hz touch simply. Nowadays it's very smooth and very fluid. It's not only support 144 Hz, you want to change 90 Hz or 60 Hz. It's your personal preference. My opinion 90 Hz is much better because battery life is you need battery life, use 90 Hz is much better. Just I am compare other phone with 90 Hz versus 144 Hz. It's very smooth and very fluid. Really amazing guys. Just I am compare Xiaomi Mi 10 versus Nubia Red Magic 5G. It's cool, right? It's a Honor V30 Pro versus Nubia Red Magic 5G. 60 Hz versus 144 Hz. It's clearly guys, clearly watch 144 Hz. It's very smooth and very fluid. Display topside tiny pixels inside 8 megapixel front facing camera here. It support full HD video recording. Let's look phone back side. Phone back made in glass compared to last model is biggest upgrade and very classy finish. I really love it. Phone bottom side Type-C ports, speaker grills and SIM card ports here. Let's look phone top side. It's a 3.5 jack and secondary noise cancellation mic here on phone top side. Gaming pressure sensor, then air in port, volume rocker case, then power button here on phone right side. Phone left side magnetic charging port and cooling fan air in port here. Yeah, this device inside cooling fan here. Nubia claimed this cooling fan reduce the CPU temperature up to 80 degrees Celsius. You want to control this cooling fan on your phone settings. Nubia also allow you want to increase the cooling fan speed. Also reduce. It's maximum 80% reduce the heat. Let's look gaming. Nubia Red Magic 5G comes with Snapdragon 865 processor. It's a flagship processor. Now I'm playing the maximal settings with 144 Hz refresh rate. It's very smooth and very fluid. Also gaming pressure sensor, it's working. It's amazing. Yeah. I'm playing every game with 144 Hz and 90 FPS per second. It's very smooth and very fluid. No issues. I got it. Battery is a 4500 mAh battery here. This device support up to 65 watts fast charging. Nubia give you 55 watts adapter in box inside. Just 50 minutes, 56% charge on this device. Total time 32 minutes, 0 to 100 time. Overall, it's much better compared to 65 watts. It's really fast. Let's look the gaming phones. Now today, totally 3 games here with 5G support, Blackshark 3, IQ3 and this Nubia Red Magic 5G. Let's first overview the phone display. Those all gaming phones come with AMOLED screen, but small different IQ only come with punch hole. Otherwise, Blackshark and Nubia is full on full screen and little bit top and bottom small notch and chin here. Otherwise, it's AMOLED screen with support under display fingerprint scanner. Color quality also 3 phones. It's really amazing. Small wrap back for IQ3. It's a back panel also glass, but Nubia Red Magic 3 is much better design. It's very glassy finish. It's looking amazing. Also Blackshark 3, its design is really amazing, but IQ only little bit downgraded. Otherwise, the 3 phones come with Snapdragon 865 UFS 3.0 storage. Let's look camera. Main camera 64 megapixel Sony sensor, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, last one 2 megapixel macro shot. You want to watch Nubia Red Magic deep camera test? Link in description. Normally this phone use camera 60 megapixel shots. You want to change 64 megapixel. Lot of the features available on this device, macro video recording and stabilization video recording. Some interesting features available on this device. On video recording up to 8K 30 fps support this device. I am attached the video link in description. You want to download the clear 8K footage. Overall, my experience last 24 hours I'm using this device compared to Blackshark 3 and IQ3 is 144 Hz display refresh rate is very smooth and very fluid compared to other devices. Anyways, is my first day review. What do you think, guys? You like this? And please support me, guys. More interesting videos on the way. And thanks for the watching. Please subscribe and like this video.